Okay, I'm back once again, and hopefully this is for the last time, and this is regarding overheating with the GoPro Hero 11. Now, as we saw, it overheated in 4K at, what was it, 57 minutes? I can't really remember, and overheated in 2.7K at 60 frames per second in 53 minutes. But I'd said at the end of the last video that, you know, if you use it as a webcam, pull out the battery, put in an external power supply, yeah, it should work just fine. But then I kind of thought, well, I shouldn't just assume that. I should actually go and prove it. So that's what I did. I did one last test to actually see if the GoPro would overheat when being used as a webcam. And hey, here's the results. This is DemonView. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so welcome back to the channel again for this last overheating test, and I hope that you found the previous two videos helpful. Hopefully you find this one helpful too, and if you do, please click that like and subscribe button because I'm doing all these tests for you. And let me tell you, when you're doing one of these long battery or overheating tests, it means you pretty much can't do anything else with your PC or anything because you're using OBS Studio and you're kind of limited in what you can do. So I've spent all this time doing these tests for you, so please click that like button. Anyway, so what I did this time was I removed the internal battery, put on the GoPro USB pass-through door, which is an excellent thing, by the way. I really recommend that if you don't have one of those, you get one because it's well worth it. Anyway, I then set the camera up and started recording in OBS Studio. And, well, it was surprising. The camera did not overheat. No, it did not. I left that thing recording for 2 hours before I decide, right, I'm bored, it hasn't overheated, so yeah, that's good. So at the end of the day, when you're filming indoors and you have your camera mounted on a tripod not doing anything, in 4K it will overheat and shut down. In 2.7K it will overheat and shut down. But if you use it as a webcam and you're going to actually, you know, broadcast live that way or do an extended recording, no overheating issues. So does the GoPro Hero 11, in my opinion, have an overheating issue? Absolutely not. I'm never going to be recording that long indoors in 4K or 2.7K and using it in 1080p using webcam mode. Absolutely no problems whatsoever. So, hey, I hope you found that informative, and tune in again next time. Hopefully I'll bring you something a bit better, more action-packed than an overheating test, because I've had my fill of them. This is DemonView. Thank you for watching. Cheerio. Oh yeah, like this is going to be one of those like teasers for the next video. I already have the Hero 9 and Hero 10 set up on a mount. I'm going to put the Hero 11 on it and have them recording at the highest possible quality. Hopefully if I get up early enough tomorrow, it'll be a low light test, and then we'll actually have a proper daylight test depending on the weather. Really kind of hard to do when it's grey skies and raining out, so I'm hoping it's going to be a nice sunny day tomorrow. So if that's the case, then hopefully you will see in a couple of days, because it will take time to put it all together, a video comparison test in the highest quality possible between the Hero 9, Hero 10 and Hero 11. Cheerio.